Mustang, ano, show Mustang. Paanohan dito, may labanan about mga Mustang. This one is Mustang, the green one. The green one, yan, show Mustang. This one Mustang. May show dito. Show ng mga sakyang Mustang. You can join, Daddy. You need to pay for that if you join for show. Ito Mustang din. Ang black. This one the back, the red. The black Mustang, and then the other gray Mustang too. This one yellow Mustang also. Ayan, mga Mustang na yan, pa-show. I think if you join, Daddy, your car is gonna be win. Our car is nice. Mustang too. No more na. Yeah, that's why. And that's one. Ah, that one is nice. This will now. Ito yung parang ano, parang walking street dito. This one, Mustang. That's one too, the other coming. Mustang sila. How you call that, Daddy? Showing Mustang?
Mustang Week.
Ah, they call Mustang Week. So that's why they all have car Mustang. They going show tonight. I mean, so they call Mustang all weekend, every weekend. They always do every weekend for Mustang Week show. Ang ganda ng ano, Ferris wheel. This one is Mustang to. Mustang also this one. And the other one? And the other one too next. So this one is Mustang too. Huh? This one is Mustang, the yellow. Yeah. I know your car is gonna be win. The giant. Yeah. Mustang green. How about that one? Mustang black, no? Ah, it's not. This one is not. No. Ano muna? This one, huh? No. Ayan, beach na yung doon. Ocean na yung doon. Yung banda. Ocean. Mustang Week, showing all the Mustang cars, the black and gray, I think, or white, but black, white.